What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Imani, back with the what? Back with the who? Back with
another one.
You already know the vibes. Today is my last day in this. I have to go return the car today because Marsha is ready. I think I already gave y'all a little mini tour. You can check the description bar down below for that video. But right now I'm at the bank with my auntie. Like, all of this happened so fast. They literally just called me a few minutes ago and told me that I need to turn this car in, or I could go and keep it longer, or I would just have to pay. I said, oh baby, no, I'm not paying nothing. I will bring y'all car back today. Do you hear me? Today. But since I gotta take this car back, that means I definitely have to go get my car today. So this is the process of me going to get my baby.
Later that same evening.
Yes, look at bae. She is nice and big. Yes, she looks good. Dang, they even got the little thing when I bagged into Deja's car. I appreciate that.
10 seconds later.
Good, full detail. I love these. Yes.
The next day.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday. It's like 12 something. And I'm sitting here waiting on my granny. As y'all can see, back in my baby. I miss her so much. I'm drinking a Drecyy pink drink. Sub the coconut milk for heavy cream. From Starbucks, of course. My face, my period is on the way. So my face is looking horrible. My skin is peeling all on my fingers and my hands. I look crusty. It's not good. It's not good.